My son is getting older, and he thought it was time for himself to man up a little bit, get rid of that Minecraft wallet, and get a real men's wallet. I'm Sarah with WTI, and the wallet we chose for him from Artpaxy is exactly what we were looking for. This is a genuine leather wallet, and it comes in several different colors and styles for you to choose from, and I love the way that everything fits into this. All of the cards are easy to slide in and out, but it wasn't too loose that I was worried about him losing things. It also has several different slots for cards and several pockets for cash and for other items. My son was excited that it has the RFID blocking, so no one has access to his personal information. He also liked that it was compact and comfortable in his back pocket. This is a very durable wallet. The stitching is strong, and because it's made of leather, I know that it's going to last him for years. I have several other items from this company that I still use to this day, and even though I've had them for years, I can confidently say that they are built to last. I think that you should check out this company, and that's my point of view.